In 1992, Paul Wolfowitz, working in the Department of Defense, was asked to write the first draft of a new national security strategy. In their defining document, written in September of 2000, a full year before 9/11, they acknowledged that the process of transformation, even if it brings revolutionary change, is likely to be a long one. Absent, in their own chilling words, some catastrophic and catalyzing event, like a new Pearl Harbor. 1 year later, that event would arrive.
Oh my God.
Maybe the smartest thing to do is pull it. And they made that decision to pull, and then we watched the building collapse.
What makes Judaism dangerous to everybody, to every race, to every nation, to every idea, is that we smash things. Oh my God! Oh my God! We are a corrosive force. Oh my God! We're breaking down all nations and all people. Oh